Along the top of the platform, you'll find your account number, cash balance, P&L, available funds, margin in use, and live valuation. This provides a live headline view of your trading performance. Every column and section can be resized, letting you create your own unique layout. You can even change the colour scheme. Just go to My Account and Change Theme. The platform remembers your preferences each time you log in. Whenever you see this icon, you can tear off an element into a new browser tab. Trade tickets and charts, or even whole sections, can be used in different browser tabs. All torn-off elements will shut down when you log out of the platform. If you need assistance, simply click Support to open an instant chat with a member of our team. Enjoy your trading with Intertrader.